So this right here is The Protector, starring Tony Jaa. Tony Jaa, the maniac, who is in the same vein as Jackie Chan, Jet Li, doing his own stunts, doing a whole bunch of craziness. Uh, so this movie, wow, great, great action movie. This one, and it's all about these right here. It's all about the elephants. This movie's all about him trying to track down the poachers who stole the elephants from his village. And you don't want to steal this guy's elephants because he'll kick you in the face. He'll throw you off a balcony. He'll snap your arm. Oh man, he'll snap your arm. He snaps a lot of arms. He snaps a lot of arms. Look at every single guy in this room right here has either a broken arm or leg. Some of them have broken necks. But this movie this movie is insane. This movie is insane. This guy Tony Jaa, oh man. He he didn't blow up. He didn't blow up. He had Ung Bak and he had this here in the States. I thought they'd be throwing more stuff at him here in the States. But so poachers steal the elephants from his village. And these elephants mean a lot to him and his dad. And oh man, oh man, does he go after them with a vengeance? Does he try to track down these elephants with a vengeance? So he's he travels to Australia to find the poachers. And there's evil dragon lady behind the whole thing. Yes, there is this evil dragon lady who's behind the whole thing. But he's oh man, so many great action sequences in this movie. This movie has probably the best action sequence I've ever seen in a movie. He's going up the stairs of the place that has because they're collecting endangered species and they're like human trafficking stuff like that. But from the bottom floor to the top of the building he's going through, it's all in one shot. They don't pan away at all. It's all done in one shot going up the stairs. And it's just so perfect the way everything's happening. He's taking these people. Well, first he's like kicking people down the stairs. And then he's taking people and throwing them off the balcony. He's drop kicking people in the face, holding on to the top of the doorway, and he's throwing vases at people's faces. It's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. But for the other action sequences here, right here. Nathan Jones. Oh, this poor guy. This poor guy. I don't mean poor guy in the movie, because He was one of the a-hole goons in the movie. This guy, this guy, he was a pro wrestler. He wasn't bad. He had a road deal working for Vince McMahon. But another scene here. Another scene here where he goes through a gauntlet of three different guys. And the last one is this guy, Nathan Jones. And Nathan Jones is like running through him, smashing him, headbutting him into walls, like he's the juggernaut or something like that. But he's he's hell bent on getting them elephants back. Vengeance knows no mercy. But he's also the master of the flying knee. Look at this. Boom. Flying knee. Bang. Oh, he's a total badass in this movie. He's whew. Like I said, I saw Ung Bak and I was like, meh. But I saw this. I was like, yeah, this is something I could watch. So he ends up tracking his elephants down to Australia. And oh, there's this one guy. Oh, this I call this guy cool guy because he's got the leather jacket, the leather pants, and the nice crew cut, and he's all cool and stuff. He's the only one who can match his fighting style. Until these, until until this guy comes in, but Nathan Jones don't match his fighting style. Nathan Jones just runs into him and smashes him over and over again. Oh, this is such a good movie. Oh, I can't get enough of this movie. And it's kind of questionable because I've seen multiple different versions of this movie. I think I've seen about two or three different versions of this movie. So I don't know exactly how to go on ending, like how the ending of this movie goes. The first time I saw this movie, I thought he died at the end of it, trying to rescue his elephants. But then I saw another version of the movie. He's not dead. No, he's not dead. And he walks out with the baby elephant right here. And this part right here, there must have been something because in the beginning of the movie, they're showing real elephants left and right. And by this point of the movie, the elephant is total CGI. Maybe it's because they were filming in Australia at that point. Maybe they can't film elephants in Australia. I don't know exactly what that was about. But Tony Jaa is a friggin' wrecking machine in this movie. He's at the end of the movie, there's like 10 people beating on him, and he's no selling the entire beating for like 3 or 4 minutes while he's crying about the elephants. But oh man, he goes through a lot of stuff in this movie. Like he's this part right here, this particular part right here. He's fighting this extreme sports gang, It sounds weird, but if you watch it, you'll see what it's about. Uh, like I said, I like this movie a lot. I don't want to go into total spoilers about everything about this movie because if you like martial arts movies and if you like action movies in general, this is definitely a movie worth checking out. Tony Jaa, the Protector. Tony Jaa, the maniac, the absolute maniac. You got to see the stuff this guy does in this movie. He's, oh man, he's backflipping off friggin' fences and glass walls and stuff. Anyone who wants to see a great action movie, great martial arts movie, check out The Protector, starring Tony Jaa. So, all right, I'll be back another time with another review about something. Have a good one, everybody. Peace out.